Welcome to this tutorial on creating a virtual companion AI with Google Gemini. In this tutorial, we'll build a virtual companion using Google Gemini. You'll learn how to create a responsive, personalized AI that can engage in meaningful conversations. We'll cover personality design, conversation models, memory systems, and setting appropriate boundaries. Remember to use AI ethically and respectfully. Section 1. Setting up your Gemini environment. First, we need to install the necessary Python packages and configure the Gemini API. We'll use --pip to install --Google Generative AI --Flask and Python.env. Then, we'll load our API key from a --env file and configure the Gemini API. Let's look at this code example. Section 2. Creating the companion's personality. Now, let's define our companion's personality using a system prompt. We'll create a function that takes the companion's name, personality traits, interests, and communication style as input and constructs a detailed system prompt for the Gemini model. Let's look at this code example. Section 3. Implementing conversation memory. To make the conversation feel more natural, we'll implement a conversation memory. This class will store the conversation history, user preferences, and important topics. We'll add methods to add new exchanges, extract preferences from user messages, and format the history for the prompt. Let's look at this code example. Section 4. Building the companion service.